Hello, I'm 7 First Alert meteorologist Hallie Vogel. As we head through the evening, even into the overnight hours, showers possible, even a passing thunderstorm. Storm chances continue through midweek, so a very active weather pattern, again, that we are stuck in. Muggy conditions, too, through about Wednesday. Although it feels much warmer than it actually is because of the high humidity, through today, we've had no 90-degree days or hotter. Last year by this time, we had 16 90-degree days or hotter, and we hit 89 degrees 2 times. So we came close 2 times so far, but last year by this time we even saw a couple of 100-plus degree days. Looking at our hour-by-hour forecast, in through the overnight hours, a shower certainly possible. Some of that rain may be heavy at times, and then we'll continue a few showers for the early morning. We'll see some dry time before showers and storms redevelop by the afternoon and evening tomorrow. Any storms we do see develop this evening will contain some heavy rain as they move slowly from the southwest to the northeast, so heavy downpours will be the main threat. Temperatures tonight will drop down near 70 degrees. It's still mild, it's still very muggy. Mid-80s for highs tomorrow, and then even warmer for Tuesday. An approaching cold front will slice through lower Michigan by Wednesday. That'll bring the threat for some stronger storms Wednesday. Behind it, some cooler, drier weather, and that stays with us through the end of the week into next weekend. Well, thank you for clicking on WXYZ.com. I hope you have a great night.